Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your brother Mike Profit, 144K, man. Back again with another video as usual. Giving y'all that good content, man. You're new to the channel. Make sure you go like, share to this. Make sure if you're new to the channel, make sure you go like, share, subscribe to the channel. If you're already subscribed, thanks for y'all OG subscribers, man. Keeping my channel alive, keeping up there. We're finna get into the video today. It's replaced these struts. When I took it to the dealer for the little harness thing, they put on my paper my struts and also my pinion rack. So watch out for a video on that. It's coming in like Tuesday or Thursday, I think. So I'm probably gonna upload that probably upload that this Sunday. But I'm about to go ahead install these struts right here, man. So to get off the strut, you need to take off this where your what is that shit called? Stabilizer bar is at, or end links, and then you need to take off this bolt right here that's on your rearward control arm. So I'm gonna take the hardest ones off first. So on the rearward control arm bolt, you can either use a 3/4 angle wrench or you can use an 18mm socket. Those are your two choices to get that off. So what you see me doing here, I'm using an Allen wrench. I was using an Allen wrench, but now I'm using a 3/4 to get this bolt off. On your car, you should get it off easier. I was messing with my car, so I kind of stripped the thread on the bolt, so that's why I'm struggling with it right now. But if you never touch your upper control arm, the bolt should come off easily within about 10 seconds. So what I'm doing right here, you shouldn't have to use the Allen wrench. You should just use I believe it's an 18mm socket, and just get it off, or a 3/4 angle wrench as well. So after you get your shocks in, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and put your upper control arm bolt back together. You don't have to tighten it all the way. You can if you want to, but go ahead and put that bolt on there. So what I just did was I kind of held it and put those in first so it can stay stable. So you don't have to keep holding it while you're trying to put those other bolts on. So do that first, then go and make sure it's in there. See? Can't give y'all the best angle in the world. So I'm not sure if I mentioned this, but when you put the strut back in, you don't loosen all your, don't tighten all your bolts yet. Make sure they're loose so you can wiggle it around. So when you have it up there already, put this in. Make sure you put this in, and then put that, and then make sure you can get this bolt, my bad, tight spot. Make sure you can get that in all the way through. My aftermarket one didn't line up precisely, so I had to kind of like bend it a little bit. But it's, I mean, it's precise, but I'm not sure which one that you ordered, but I'm gonna give y'all the one that I ordered on eBay. It came with this bolt, so you don't have to buy an aftermarket bolt. The ones I seen on eBay, it doesn't come with a bolt, and on your OEM one, it actually has the bolt attached to it, so you need to go get an extra bolt. I'm not sure what size is at all. I'm really not sure what size. But if you are doing this and you don't have a bolt, make sure you take this bolt off and take it up to an auto shop and just figure out what bolt fits it and then tighten it back up. Other than that, that's it, man. Just make sure you tighten these, tighten this one, tighten that one, and then you can go and end up tightening this. And that's pretty much it, man. That's literally it. And also, it's gonna, these new springs, they're gonna line up, what's it called? Your car is gonna sit higher in the front because they're new springs, but just give it a minute. It will eventually set back to its original, but they are a lot higher. I did notice that. Well, other than that, man, that's the end of the video, man.